Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 11. Well, Adobe Photoshop Express is a free and user-friendly photo editing application available for Windows 11. So in order to install the Adobe Photoshop Express, just go to the Microsoft Store. So go to the search bar over here and just search for Microsoft Store and just choose Microsoft Store over here. And here just search for Adobe Photoshop Express and go ahead and choose Adobe Photoshop Express in the search bar, and this is free, so just go ahead and click on get button to download this Adobe Photoshop Express. So I'm going to click on get over here. Just wait a couple of seconds to download it, and here you can see the status getting ready. So just wait a couple of seconds to complete the download. Well, notice here the installation is completed. Next, go ahead and click on the open button over here. So this will launch the Adobe Photoshop Express in a Windows 11. Once you launch the Adobe Photoshop Express, here you can see some of the free installed images available. In order to get starting with one of the images, just go ahead and click on get started. You can go ahead and log in to the Adobe Photoshop Express with Google or Facebook, and you can play with the photo editing. Okay, great. I will see you in the next video.